Go to the first clip, make sure it is 1 second long. Go to speed then curve, select custom, remove the second and second last beat, put the speed on 6x on the first beat, and 0.7x on the second and last beat. Go to the second clip, make sure it is 0.6 seconds long. Go to speed then curve and select hero. Duplicate this clip 3 times, then reverse the second and last duplicated clips. Click on the face image, make sure it is 0.4 seconds long, duplicate it and crop it to 0.1 seconds. Duplicate it 3 more times. Go to the first duplicated image, click on transform and select mirror. Do the same with the third duplicated image. Go back to the first duplicated image, click on adjust and reduce saturation to 50. Do the same with the third duplicated image. Go to the second duplicated image and set saturation to 50. Do the same with the last duplicated image. Click on the first image, add keyframes at the start and end, zoom to the face on the second keyframe and add cubic in graph. Go to the second image, add keyframes at the start and end, but zoom to the face on the first keyframe. Repeat the same keyframe process on the remaining images. Go to the first image and add turbulence animation at maximum duration. Then add vertical jitter effect, set its duration like me, and put the speed to 15. Duplicate this effect and put it under the third duplicated image. Duplicate it again and put it under the starting clip. Go to the third duplicated image and add turbulence animation. Add inhale transition between the first and second clips. Add it between the third and last clips as well. Go to the starting clip and add turbulence animation. Click on the face image, add keyframes at the start and end, zoom on the first keyframe and add flow to graph. Add inhale transition between the first clip and the face image. Go to filter and add 4K on the whole video. Export the project. Import it. Go to adjust then video quality and enhance the quality to portrait HD. And you're done. Here are the results.